Hello, how you doing? We're going to make a really simple, quick and easy chicken curry today. It's going to take us about 10 minutes only. So I've got 2 cups of chicken breast, or slightly over, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of tomato, half a cup of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. 2 tablespoons of a dried fruit, sultanas or something like that. You don't have to put that in, but it does add a nice bit of sweetness. Teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt and pepper to taste, some fresh chili, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 cup of water roughly, and a little touch of oil. Very simply, all of these ingredients are going to go into a mixing bowl and we're going to give it a mix. Then we've got some whole spices. Again, these are optional. You don't have to do this, but will add a great flavor. So we've got here 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns, about 5 or 6 green cardamons, a little bit of cinnamon stick, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and a couple of bay leaves. So I've got a little bit more oil in the pan. We're on quite a high heat through the whole process here. We're going to drop in our whole spices, and then we're going to drop in the chicken mixture. In that goes. It's going to sizzle away. Stir that around for 3 minutes. Fabulous. Now just drop in a little bit of water there, not too much, stick a lid on it, keep the heat high and go for around 6 or 7 minutes. And that's it, job done. Beautiful and quick. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love.